Welcome back, fellow travelers. Africa, with its rich cultural heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and magnificent wildlife, is calling your name. But before you dive into this extraordinary continent, it's important to be prepared. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to reveal the top things you must pack for your trip to Africa. Number 1. Sun protection. It is crucial to constantly shield your skin from the sun's rays, particularly if you plan to spend a lot of time outside. Long-term exposure to the sun's ultraviolet UV radiation may result in skin cancer, and sunburns can be excruciatingly painful. The best strategy to shield oneself from UV radiation is to apply sunscreen with a sufficient SPF rating, wear protective clothes, and a wide-brimmed hat. A lip balm with SPF should also be used to protect your face, lips, and other vulnerable regions from the sun. Sunglasses that have a high UV protection rating might also aid in protecting your eyes. Number 2. Insect repellent. A substance called insect repellent is made to assist shield users against pesky insects including fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. It works by releasing a substance called N-diethyl-toluamide, which conceals a person's body odor and reduces its allure to insects. There are many different types of insect repellents, including sprays, creams, lotions, and wipes. The most common choice is a spray since it is simple to apply and offers quick and efficient protection. Sprays are often administered directly to the skin. However, since water may wash away the deed, they should be reapplied after swimming or perspiring. The most costly choice is usually a cream or lotion, which should be applied evenly on the skin. They need more time to apply than sprays, but depending on the product, they may last up to 8 hours. For individuals who would rather not spray or apply a lotion, wipes are a terrific alternative. They are frequently applied to exposed skin and clothes and come pre-soaked with insect repellent. Read and abide by the product's directions before using any insect repellent. Certain items should be used cautiously since they could be harmful to youngsters or expectant mothers. Number 3. Comfortable clothing. When spending time outside, it's important to pack some cozy apparel. This might include wearing a variety of clothes, depending on the climate and terrain. Lightweight materials like linen, cotton, and rayon are often the greatest choices for warmer regions, but wool, fleece, and other heavier materials are better suited for colder climes. A particularly effective method for coping with quickly changing weather conditions is to dress in layers. Don't forget to pack the proper socks and underclothes. Number 4. Camping gear. You will need to carry camping equipment if you want to spend one or more nights outside. It's crucial to think about the weather and camping circumstances while choosing tents, sleeping bags, and mats. For colder areas, for instance, cold weather tents with higher waterproofing ratings would be ideal. Tarps, kitchenware, and a sturdy camping stove are some more essential camping supplies. Number 5. Waterproof bag. A waterproof bag is one that is designed to prevent liquids like water, mud, and other substances from leaking into its contents. Nylon, vinyl, canvas, and neoprene are just a few of the materials that may be used to create waterproof bags. Usually, they are closed with a roll top, zipper, or piece of Velcro. Other elements of the bag might include a mesh panel for breathability, a watertight foam compartment, and adjustable straps for carrying. For outdoor activities including boating, camping, hiking, and swimming, waterproof bags are often utilized. They may also be utilized for commonplace objects like clothes, paperwork, and gadgets. Number 6. First aid kit. No matter how long your outdoor adventure may last, you must always include a first aid kit. Essentials including bandages, antiseptics, bug bite treatment, pain relievers, and a splint should be included in your box. Consider carrying along goods designed for the activity, such as a waterproof bandage or additional sunscreen. If you are participating in any sports or activities like swimming, hiking, or any other kind of exercise. Number 7. Flashlight/torch light. A handheld portable source of light, such as a torch or torch, is often powered by batteries. A reflector, a light bulb or LED, and a battery-operated enclosure are the standard components. It is most often used as a portable source of light to bright and gloomy regions. Flashlights are often employed in search and rescue operations and may be used to light up a bigger space, such as a room or a campground. Camping, hunting, and fishing are just a few of the leisure activities that include the usage of flashlights. Modern flashlights often contain a button to turn on and off the light, and some models even have brightness levels that can be changed. A strobe light or SOS signal, which is utilized in emergency circumstances, is another function found in many flashlights. The materials used to make flashlights, which come in a broad range of sizes and forms and include plastic, metal, and rubber, are diverse. Because they provide a more economical and environmental alternative, rechargeable flashlights are growing in popularity. Number 8. Money and credit cards. Any tangible object or verifiable record that is commonly accepted as payment for products and services, as well as the repayment of obligations, such as taxes, in a certain nation or socioeconomic setting is referred to as money. A store of value, a unit of account, a medium of exchange, and sometimes a standard of postponed payment are the four major purposes of money. Money may be thought of as anything or verifiable record that fulfills these requirements. Credit cards are payment cards that are given to users, cardholders, in order to allow them to pay a merchant for goods and services based on their commitment to the card issuer to reimburse them for the amounts so paid plus any additional fees that have been agreed upon. The card issuer, often a bank, establishes a revolving account and provides the cardholder with a line of credit from which they may borrow money to pay for purchases or to get a cash advance. Number 9. Travel insurance. A form of insurance called travel insurance covers the expenses and dangers related to travel. In the case of unanticipated events like trip cancellation, medical problems, lost baggage, aircraft delays, and more, it is intended to safeguard travelers. Additionally, it may cover unexpected medical expenditures, lost or stolen belongings, and other charges that could arise while traveling. Trip cancellation, interruption, medical costs, emergency evacuation, and accidental death and dismemberment are all commonly covered under travel insurance. Additionally, it may provide protection against monetary losses brought on by unanticipated occurrences like terrorism, political turmoil, or natural catastrophes. Number 10. Portable charger and extra batteries. Nowadays, technology plays a huge role in our lives, so it's simple to overlook how fast it might run out of power outside. Although a portable charger might be very useful, always have additional batteries with you. On an outdoor vacation, having the correct travel necessities might make all the difference. The things on this list are useful, but they are by no means everything that you will need. To decide what you will need, take into account the temperature and topography of your destination, as well as any activities you want to engage in. Your outdoor expedition is guaranteed to be a fantastic success with a little bit of planning and preparation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.